and today's lesson is about plus 4 using small friend. So plus 4 is equal to, how to do plus 4? This is plus 5
Plus 5
minus 1. Remember
minus
this. Okay, we will use this technique today. Now see, first question is 1, 4, 3. So how to add 1? You already know how to add 1. To add 1, this is 1, right? Now the next is 4. See, next question is 4. How to add 4? Here I have written 4 is equal to plus 5 and minus 1. So we will do plus 5
plus
and
5
minus 1. Understood the process? Yes. And next number is, what is next number? Next number is 3. So add 3, easy. 1, 2, 3. Tell me what is the final answer you can see right now.
8.
8.